with you sometimes have to make, and it was a calculated risk. I just wasn't putting everything on red and on a roulette table. I was in this business already for a period of time, 8 years already. We had made some money. We had some clients. Things were moving, and it's just, something happened. So then,
what was the biggest lesson from this experience? Don't be too over-dependent on one client?
No, well, how about if you can't help it? How about if you only have
Yeah.
Let's be right. What sort of business you think I run? I mean, so you have to be realistic sometimes. You have to be very fortunate. You have one client, and if you have a long line out front, then you still treat each person as if they are your only client, even if they buy one slice.
Yeah.
I learned that too. That when I was rocking and rolling, those 4 seats kept me alive for a while. You got to think, and I didn't touch down to zero. That was the thing. I was losing money. I was bleeding. But think about those 4 seats. That plane was still off the ground.
Yeah.
If I had gone to zero, could you imagine zero? That's the worst.
Yeah.
But if I was at 4, you don't think I was going to keep that thing alive and love it? That was the greatest thing ever. Because I remember when I had 1 seat for 50 hours. It's all relative. And you'll have your ups and your downs. And I wish the greatest fortune that your entrepreneurs have the longest run, because I have run. And so this was a run. We reinvested. 6 months later, started building it back up again, breaking even. Then all of a sudden, bang, a couple of really good clients again. And then we bought the other place. And